Hey Gordon Bears, Mr. Cameron here with Mr. Boggiano again. We're going to take you through a drill called the mirror drill. This drill is going to be working on a couple of different things. It's going to be working on your agility, which is the ability to change direction and change speed. It's going to be working on your reaction skills, which is seeing something happening and then you do it as quick as you can. So how the mirror drill works is you're going to be facing the person that you're competing against. So I'm going to be on this side in between the two red cones. They're about 12 to 15 feet away from each other. Mr. Boggiano is going to be on the other side. He's in between the two orange cones, same distance away from mine. Now, one of us is going to be the leader, and one of us is going to be the mirror. So I'll start off as the leader, which means I am picking which way I want to go, and then Mr. Boggiano, he has to mirror me or do exactly what I'm doing and react to where I go. All right? Now, to get started, what I'm going to do is I have to go back and forth between my two cones 2 times. So every time I get to a cone, I'm going to count a number, and when I get to 4, then I can go whichever way I want to. Now, we're going to be going back and forth, and then whenever I decide, I'm going to turn and run, and I'm going to try to be the first person to get to this ball. Okay, that's kind of like the finish line. That's what you're racing for. That's what you're trying to get. Okay? Now, Mr. Boggiano, he's going to be mirroring me, and as soon as he sees me turn and start running, he's going to turn and run, and he's going to try to beat me to this ball. Now, he's at a little bit of a disadvantage because he's reacting to me, but if he's quick enough, he can beat me to the ball. Okay? I also forgot to mention to you that the locomotor skill that we're going to be doing back and forth in between these cones is shuffling. So remember, when you're shuffling, you're stepping and sliding your back foot, and your feet will never cross over each other. So step and slide this way, step and slide this way. Okay? So I'm the leader, Mr. Boggiano is the mirror. Here we go. We're going to start in the middle. He's going to mirror which way I go. Every time I get to a cone or a landmark, we're going to count until we get to 4. So I'm going to start by going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can go any way I want to. He's mirroring me which way I go. And then when I decided to turn and run, it was a race to the ball, and you're going to see which person was able to get there first. Now, I was the leader that time, so now we're going to switch jobs. Mr. Boggiano will be the leader, I would be the mirror, okay? Go ahead and do that for about 5 or 10 minutes, and this should get you warmed up for the next part of your activity. Have fun.